We use the Visual Factory to track all of our jobs as they flow throughout the factory. So at each operation step, we have RFID readers throughout the facility that are picking up when does a job enter an operation and when does it exit. With that data, we can give that back to the operators to help them understand things like how is their first in, first out flow? How are they doing on late to start or important job scheduling information. And from there, they can take real-time decisions that actually impact the factory. It can be very tempting when you're building a new software product or anything along those lines to get swept up in new technological advancements or to build what you think will provide value to your users in their factory. But the fact is your users know their day-to-day best, so the most important thing you can do is talk to them, understand their pain points and their problems and their daily journeys, and let them tell you what you need, and then apply your expertise on software and technology to then build something that is actually useful and a joy for them to use.